Hello everybody, Namaskar, Namaste. I'm on my way to AAC Anti-Addiction Campaign number 429 at St. Teresa's Secondary School. This will be my second session in this particular school. I must appreciate the support from the principal, Sister Jasmine, towards this mission. Looking forward to meet all my dear soldiers at St. Teresa's Secondary School for AAC Anti-Addiction Campaign number 429, session number 2.
Everyone wants that he should come to their school, and we have been after him, and finally he has taken out time from his busy schedule to come and enlighten us on
since 2002 ACB Films and Theatre in Bengali, Hindi and English. Academically, he is a marine engineer who served for ExxonMobil.
Good morning, everyone. I'm a student from St. Paul's Boarding English School. Sadly, it is an all-girls school now, but all my best friends are from here. I was telling we are still in touch with Miss Saloni Mara. Gyan Sabha, as you are already thinking and talking and speaking in between us, in between yourself, ये सब देखिए अरे यार क्या बोल रहे हैं, कुछ कह भी नहीं सकते, प्रिंसिपल टीचर यहाँ पे बैठा दिया है, ना उसको झेलना पड़ेगा, another workshop, another seminar, भाई, बचाओ. Let me tell you, this is not a preaching ज्ञान सभा lecture सभा. Why? क्योंकि हम कोई ज्ञानी गुणी व्यक्ति हैं नहीं, हम कोई पंडित हैं नहीं. I'm a very normal, ordinary person. Let's say I know nothing. But what I know and what I have realized is through my experience in life, that is what I'm going to share. Look here. Because this particular session is an Adda Sabha. It's not a Gyan Sabha, it's an Adda Sabha. Adda Sabha मतलब आप भी हमसे बातें कीजिए, हम भी आपसे बातें करेंगे, आपस में बात करो. So मम्मी पापा की तरह हम भी हैं, हम भी तुमको जिंदगी के सही रास्ते में ले जाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं बिना पैसों का, without any money in mind. I'm an actor, I'm a teacher of acting. आज मेरा shooting नहीं था, आज मेरा classes नहीं था, आज मेरा कोई और engagements नहीं था. I could have had some engagements would have made me earn money. If I simply is a secondary school में एक कार में इसकी लड़की पता नहीं है, वहाँ पे चिल्लाओ, पैसा नहीं मिलेगा, कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. I do that. It's not a gimmick because it's happening for years and years and years, and not only in a big school of West Bengal or India, where privileged children are going to say, yeah, best. Joseph, best. Why Joseph? Because you need to take this in your mind. First option you can take is Dada Kotha Shunmor, and the second option you can take is which will make me very happy. First option, if you think I can't do anything, I'll go to 430. I can't force my belief on you. I can only scold you like एक अपना जो स्कूल करता है, बॉकी की कौन डांटता है जो प्यार करता है वही डांटता है, नहीं तो नहीं डांटेगा, तू भाड़ ले जा. ना सुन, कुछ भी कर, कुछ भी खा, कुछ भी बोल, कुछ भी पहन, हमको क्या यार, मस्त. To scold them, nobody to tell them anything. So consider yourself lucky. कि वो बुक से तुम आए, टीचर तुमको डांट रहा है,
ऊपर वाले को शुक्र गुजारो कि हाँ हमारे लाइफ में कोई है, अपने को सही रास्ते पे ले जाने वाला है कोई। माँ बाप होता है बेच रहे हो या सिगरेट या बीड़ी या गुटखा जुबा केसरी जो भी बेच रहे हो, ये पॉइजन है। आपको तो पता है, तो बोले हमको पता है, लेकिन ये जो लड़के लड़कियां ऐसे ही ऐसे ही भगवान ने, अल्लाह ने, वाहिगुरु ने यहाँ पे ब्रेन दिया, ऐसे ही खाऊंगा, ये ब्रेन सड़क के इधर आ गया और नहीं नहीं इधर नहीं बाबा, इधर पूरा फाका हो गया, वैक्यूम सब एक चले सब यहाँ से सोचते हैं shame? Does it wear clothes? Does it have any self-respect? That is where the humanity is heading to. Without shame, without self-respect, without sense. We are all seeing what is happening in the IG reels and all, na? Boys, girls, little kids, तुम ना तो बोलो, teenagers. दुकान में जाके बोलेंगे आप लोग क्यों बेच रहे हो? ये पॉइजन है, आप दुकान बंद कर दीजिए। Do you think he will shut the shop? और लाठी नहीं है, वो मार पे तो ग्लास को में सोचा है। तेरे घर में सीबीआई भेज के जेल भेज दूंगा तुमको। कोई बोल रहा है तुमको? समझती कोई बोल रहा है? आई सर डॉक्टर श्रेया को तुमको बोल रहा है? मतलब the second reason he is trying to tell me is he is not. Somebody say pushing here first. What's your name? Ashmita. Can we give a big hand for Ashmita? Ashmita, एक चीज़ ने बोल दी, खूब important चीज़ बोल दी, जब जो शोए आपका लिए दिलावे क्या ना बोल सकते important why is it? Until and unless you surrender. Let it seep in once more. No one has the power to destroy you in your life until and unless you surrender. ये जो हम लोग एक्सक्यूज देते हैं ना, peer pressure, वही छेले का बाजे, वही मेट का बाजे, उसने मुझे सिखाया, उसने मुझे पिलाया, उसने मुझे खिलाया, हमको कुछ पता नहीं था, हम ही की छूट जानता हूँ ना। Cut those बहानेबाजी। Cut those बहानेबाजी। Why? Intelligence and education, विद्या बुद्धि का इस्तेमाल करना rocket science है क्या? Rocket science है? I'm not asking you something astronomical, very difficult. That is what makes you an इंसान। रास्ता को पूछे का बोलते वाले ना, रास्ते का कुत्ता नहीं कर सकते, तुम कर सकते हो, लेकिन करते चालू कर दिया। अच्छा, what are the reasons? Boys start this foolishness, गधेपन start करता है to prove that हम लोग masculine हो गए। देखो, माचो, बड़ो हो गए कौन होती है कि करता है पूरा लंग्स के छाछड़ा कर दो। जोर से। So this, your best gift, that I like to have. Best gift is actually that word, age or health, which is linked, Ashmita, with another word, C for. So once this is looked after, तुम जिंदगी में जो करना चाहते हो वो सही तरह से कर पाओ। And when this go down the drains, वो जो C है डूब जाएगा। So once the H and the C अगर डूब गया, the third word shout it the loudest because this is the most important word. F for. Who is going to save you if you are abusing yourself? Nobody is going to save you, yaar. You can put a perpetrator who is, physically somebody is abusing somebody. You can put that perpetrator in jail. But what if you are doing it to yourself? Nobody can stop that, yaar. So now you get H for, C for, and F for. Can we give a big hand to Tanzila, please? Tanzila said what I had in my mind. What is that? And you also. What's your name? Avantika. Can we give a big hand to Avantika? So, what Tanzila said and what Avantika said taking responsibility of your parents. That's what I wanted. Priority, high alert, priority. That is the way you need to prove to the world. कि माँ बाबा अब्बू अम्मी मम्मी पापा ये दो है जो जिंदगी में सब कुछ सैक्रिफाइस कर रहा है तुम्हारे भलाई के लिए. Tell the whole world कि हमें कैनो लंबा चौड़ा हुई चीज़ है ना. So that I can take the responsibility of my parents. तब जाके मानेंगे कि तुम बड़े हुए. वो हाथ में ग्लास लेके और लंग्स में धुआं डाल के ये नहीं है भाई ये गधा है गधी है. It's a very strong positive word. It's a very strong positive word. But what's happening? ध्यान से सुन. जेरकम हम तुम्हारे पास आए हैं because हम मानते हैं कि boys, girls, young boys and girls, the युवा, the youth, you are the pillars of the society. तंजीला, क्योंकि तंजीला तुम जो बिलीव करोगे, तुम जो शिक्षा पाके बड़े होगे ना, you are going to spread that when you will have power in your hand. 15 years from now, 10 years from now, तुम्हारा जो बिलीफ है, तुम्हारा जो सोच है, वही तुम प्रोपोगेट करोगे, वही तुम स्प्रेड करोगे. This is my passion in life. This is my motto and mission in life. वो जो अंधेरे में जो है, अशुभ शक्ति जिसको बोलते हैं, डार्क फोर्सेस, उन लोगों को भी पता है, अरे तू क्या उसको रोशनी की तरफ लेके जाएगा, हम तो अवंतिका को डार्कनेस की तरफ ही लेके जाएंगे. That is their mission. So today is the day. किसके साथ would you want to join hands? And if you say today कि दादा you are so inspiring, I want to join hands with you, it's very easy to say here. Secure atmosphere में बोशे, school में बोशे, in front of the teacher and with your classmates, very easy to say दादा आके. But the challenge comes when you are out in the open. Masculinity and feminism tells you to become so strong, to make your gender so strong, so that Tanzila, you are not dependent on anybody. Yes, but the girls, the women, by the dark forces, have been fed the wrong definition of feminism. Modern बनोगे, लड़कों के साथ equal बनना है तुमको, of course equal बनना है. Of course, education is giving you that benchmark, that platform, equal बनना है. But how can you सोचो मैं जो बोलने जा रहा हूँ बहुत ध्यान से सुन. If you are following the same mistakes that the other gender are doing, तुम्हें एक सिगरेट खेते पारो मैं पूरा पैकेट मार दूंगा. This is happening. I am seeing this with my own eyes. तुम एक घूंट अगर मैं पूरा बॉटल मार दूंगा. Own eyes, and there is no way of denying it. What I had in my mind is because AJ uniform ta pore acho na tumra school uniform. This is like a religion. जो भी religion हम लोग मानते हैं ना, this religion को हम बहुत दिल से मानते हैं ना. This is like a religion. तुम जो अच्छे काम करोगे या घटिया काम करोगे, you are going to, not only you are going to be identified with that. Nare, the girl, the boy, the next, the parents, the teachers, the principal, the school is going to be identified by that. Chemical is a synthetic alien object. Or let's say drug. Let's say drug. What is a drug? A drug is an alien synthetic chemical object which makes a change physically or mentally inside your body. That change can be from abnormal to normal. Like हम क्रोसिन जब खाते हैं, हमारा फिजिकल स्टेट abnormal हो गया था, 104 टेम्परेचर हो गया था. वो केमिकल डालने से that abnormal becomes normal, 98.4 हो जाता है. That cigarette contains 4,500 chemicals. How से बोल रहे हो? कारा इतने स्मोक करे हाथ तो लोग. कौन स्मोक करता है यहाँ पे हाथ तो? हाथ तो? बाबा शोभा की भालू. 4,500 chemicals. 4,500. It's not a small number. 4,500 chemicals which you don't need inside the body, which makes your normal state into abnormal state. Why do you need them? You have to do this alcohol thing. The sad part is Avantika. यहाँ पे अगर 400 and suppose 400 families are sitting. The sad part is among those 400, at least 250 families are seeing alcohol right from the childhood in their household. Yes or no? Yes. Cigarette का 4,500 chemical drug नहीं है? Ethyl alcohol drug नहीं है? Ethanol drug नहीं है? It's a drug. What it does? It goes inside, and हम लोग जैसे geography में पढ़े when the water flows over rocks, the rocks gets corroded, eroded, erosion. पढ़े या नहीं? Yes, yes. Exactly. It goes. The first organ it affects is the liver, the outer lining of the liver. इटा तुम्हारा नीचे जैसे एक बंदा या बंदी लड़का या लड़की इंडिपेंडेंट होने लगता है होने लगती है, the dark forces are like with open arms. पैसा कमा रहा है, कमा रही है, इंडिपेंडेंट हो गया, मम्मी पापा को सब आ जा, and they engulf you. आज से 10 साल में 15 साल में you will be earning your own money. You will not be in that carpool and বাসে যেরকম আসো মা বাবা সবসময় সঙ্গে থাকে থাকবে না। इसके बाद hostel, college, your life, your family, independence and money are the two weapons that you're going to get, Avantika, that either can make you or break you. Ashmita, this is the रोशनी वाला meaning. Shreya, this is the रोशनी वाला meaning कि party मतलब when you are enjoying or celebrating a cause, and darkness वाला meaning is enjoying and celebrating the cause with poison, with chemicals. ये proudly नहीं बोल रहा है, what I'm trying to tell you is parties, not party. Parties, P-A-R-T-I-E-S, is a part of my life every day, every evening. In Chichora जगह में नहीं है. In places where I get everything F-R-E-E. तुमको अगर wrong use of feminism करना है, तुमको अगर गधा या गधी बनना है, you have to misuse your money or your parents' money. I have to do this. I have to do this. New Year's party. 31st January New Year's party. रोशनी वाला एक definition है, अंधेरे वाला एक definition है. अंधेरे वाला definition होच्छे इतना तक पियो. Happy New Year. इतना तक पियो. जाके पिलर में धक्का मारो, खुद भी मरो, सबको मारो. इतना तक नहीं पिएगा, कान से अल्कोहल नहीं निकलेगा तो क्या फर्स्ट जनवरी नहीं आएगा? दैट इज अंधेरे वाला. सुधारेगा जो तुमको रोशनी की तरफ लेके जाएगा, वही दोस्त है जो तुमको अंधेरे की तरफ लेके जाएगा, जो तुम्हारी बॉडी में माइंड में केमिकल्स घुसाएगा, वो दोस्त नहीं है. बट वी डोंट अंडरस्टैंड. सो आई मीट हिम और हर whoever, या कोई लड़का अलग से या लड़की अलग से, आई मीट समबडी. I won't jump on that person and hug that person, making my friend. In the interim, as I'm socializing with you, I try to understand whether, whether Tanzila also follows HCF or not. Only if another person follows HCF, only then that person will take me towards. So what I'm trying to tell you is HCF is a formula जो तुमको फ्रेंड को रिकॉग्नाइज करने के लिए बहुत हेल्प करेगा. जो तू बड़ो होगी देख भी लाइफ ऑटोमेटिकली कॉम्प्लिकेटेड हो जाती है बाय डिफॉल्ट. इट्स बिकमिंग कॉम्प्लिकेटेड बाय डिफॉल्ट. अभी भी पता चल रहा है ना क्लास 3 4 5 कितना अच्छा था. अबे यार इतना कॉम्प्लिकेशन लाइफ में आरो बड़ो होगी जब आरो बुझते पारबी. जोर से फोर्सफुली इसको कॉम्प्लिकेटेड मत करो. सिंपल रहने का एक ही उपाय है, इट स्टार्ट्स विद एज. मुझे और थोड़ा केमिकल चाहिए बाबा. जाइतो कॉलेज में जाइतो सेकेंडरी में. इट्स अ सॉरी स्टेट ऑफ अफेयर्स एवरीवेयर. टुडे इज द डे. वेक अप because you, as I told you, are the most important members of the society. तुम्हारे हाथ में पावर है to make or break the society. तंजीला ये are the pillars. ये लोग जैसे बनेगा समाज वैसे होगा. हमको जैसे पता है लोग वो भी उन लोग का भी चैलेंज है. तू युद्ध बचा नहीं वो भी दैट हम रखी कोई because you are surrendering to them and not taking the second option कि दादा की बात सुने या इस्तेमाल करें, which should be. You are the most important members. ये awareness लाओ. आमी हम समाज है. তোমরা যা হবে সমাজটা সেই রকম হবে. তোমরা গাধা হয়ে বড় হলে তোমরা अंधेरे की पैसेंजर्स होके बड़े समाज अंधेरा ही हो जाएगा. So you become the first soldier of Adda number AAC 429. Tanzila Vikas, the first soldier of AAC 429. And when this photograph or the video is going to come up in the newspaper, in the magazines, in the social networking sites, with your name, with Myra's name, with everybody's name, school's name, I think you, your parents, your friends are going to be very, very proud. So can you give a big hand to the first soldier of Adda number 429? Now, just like why am I calling you a soldier? Let's spread it. Let's spread it like wildfire. अगर गाली, गलोच, obscenity, vulgarity can spread like wildfire. जैसे देखते हो ना एक वीडियो में जो गंदगी होगा, जो वीडियो में डर्ट होगा, vulgarity होगा, obscenity होगा, nudity होगा, गाली गलोच होगा, वो वीडियो ज्यादा स्प्रेड होगा. क्यों? Why? और जिस वीडियो में तुमको अच्छा चीज बोला जा रहा है वो नहीं जाएगा. क्यों? Because you are surrendering to that dark. तुम लोग कर रहे हो, तुम लोग होने नहीं दे रहे हो, तो स्प्रेड करो. You without asking a question, without asking a reason. That is called trend. जो बांग्ला में हम लोग बोलते हैं हुजूक, जो हिंदी में हम लोग बोलते हैं भेड़चाल. दूसरों को फॉलो करना, दूसरों को कॉपी करना, without asking a question, without asking a reason, that is called trend. So as you can understand, it's a very dicey ground. तुम किसी को अगर फॉलो कर रहे हो without asking a question, without asking a reason, you are on a dicey ground. कैसे? तू खा रहा है, हम भी खाएगा. तू जा रहा है, हम भी जाएगा. तू बोल रहा है, हम भी बोलेगा. तू उसको गालियां बक रहा है, हम भी गालियां बकेगा. हम पता नहीं वो कौन है, पता नहीं वो कौन है. तू बोल रहा है, हम भी बोलेगा उसको खराब. So the second definition is तुम्हारे अंदर अगर कोई प्रतिभा है, कोई हुनर है, टैलेंट है, तब जाके कोई तुमको व्यू कर रहा है, सब्सक्राइब कर रहा है, फॉलो कर रहा है, रिकॉग्नाइज कर रहा है, then you are famous. And talent, हुनर, प्रतिभा doesn't mean you shed your clothes in front of the camera. This needs to be discussed. Why it needs to be discussed? Because this trap of views, this trap of subscription, this trap of earning followers, it has destroyed the infrastructure and the mental health of young boys and girls. Trap. Trap getting views. Getting views from ranked strangers and perverts and corrupted people, which means nothing. But when a drug goes inside, you don't understand why you're putting inside the drug. The monster needs it. यहाँ पे जैसे monsters of smoking and monsters of alcoholism, यहाँ पे the monster of views. The monster of views, ध्यान से सुन. Monster of views make you desperate. ये जैसे ही इसको भूख आ रहा है, I need to be viewed. वो view होने के लिए platform reels बनाओ. Keeping your self-respect on. Keeping your shame, keeping your this basic thing that हम लोग इंसान हैं, and you losing your self-respect, you losing your shame. It's not only you. The last word is linked with you. And I'm telling you once more, the views mean nothing if you lose your self-respect. তুমি বড় হতে কি অনেক টাকা রোজগার করবে, बहुत पैसा कमाएगा, गाड़ी बाड़ी, बहुत बिग पोजीशन पे नौकरी करेगा, बहुत कुछ करेगा, गाड़ी बाड़ी सब कुछ है, सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट नहीं होगा तो you will feel nothing. There is nothing in your life. That is being done by a little boy, a little girl. It looks so vulgar, so obscene. लेकिन that boy, that girl, the parents of those boys and girls, they are in that trap of views. और वो 98 कमेंट्स उन लोग के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. 2 कमेंट्स लास्ट में कोई मायने नहीं रखता है. 98 मास बोल रहा है कि मेरा बेटी मेरी बेटी आई एम टैलेंटेड, कोई मेरा बात सुनेगा, तो वो नेक्स्ट लेवल पे अलार्मिंग थिंग्स आर हैपनिंग. सी आई वर्क वेरी टाइट होता है. Be very safe. There are big networks, I'm telling you, big networks just around you. Every day they are watching you. They are trying to engulf you and to make you into a raste ka kutta with that trap in mind. And people are falling for it. Bhalo kaaj karo, get viewed. Search your talent, get viewed. Whatever talent that you have, get viewed. With your self-respect on and spread it to your next generation. That is very important. Otherwise, 10 years from now, a boy or a girl, I'm telling you for sure, won't understand why we wear clothes. And I lost my father some days back. I miss him very badly. At this point, I really understand what he was to me. So you can understand my mental condition. I want to tell you one thing. Love your parents as much as you can. Don't be rude to them. Listen to them. Because they are everything that you have. Without them, you are nothing. Listen to them because they take you towards the light. They do things unconditionally. Don't be rude to them. Look after them. Hands are up. Hands are up. So Anushka here becomes the trendsetter of Adda number 429. So can we give a big hand to Anushka? Like Tanzila, the lady here holds a very important position, and unknowingly, little Anushka has done something remarkable in her life. In a body puste parki joto boro hobi. You have started a movement. You have made people follow towards it. देखो कभी खोना नहीं, कभी जुदा होना नहीं, अब के यूं ही मिले रहेंगे दोनों, वादा रहा ये इस शाम का, जाने क्यों या जाने ना, माने तू या माने ना. अभी तेरा मुझसे है पहले का नाता कोई, यूं ही नहीं दिल लुभाता कोई. तेरा मुझसे है पहले का नाता कोई, यूं ही नहीं दिल लुभाता कोई. जाने तू माने तू या माने ना. तेरा मुझसे पहले का नाता कोई, यूं ही नहीं दिल लुभाता कोई. पैसा मांगते नहीं तो सबसे।
Mahira Farhad, and she followed every instruction to the point T, 101%. And I'm so impressed with her discipline, with her manners, with her sense of responsibility, and with her fitness also. Can we give a big hand to Mahira? Mahira, तुम्ही भागने की कि हम तुमको खाली हाथ जाने देगा, तुमको खाली हाथ तो जाने नहीं देगा ना, तुम्हारी बेटी है। So I'm going to give Mahira, this is for you Mahira, can we give a big hand to Mahira? And this is also for you. Can we give a big hand to Mahira? On my mind, suppose आज मैं पार्टी में गया, पार्टी में घुसा, my mind will constantly tell me, Bobby, देखो सामने शराब की पूरा फाउंटेन है, फ्री है तेरे लिए, पियो 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 पियो। I tell my mind, shut up, you don't control me, I'm going to control you because I am the सुना नहीं क्या? I am the You don't tell me what to do, I'm going to tell you what to do because I am the That is what is going to happen and magic is going to happen. That is what is written here, proud soldier. Anyway, so first one goes to Ashmita, can we give a big hand to Ashmita? Second one goes to Amisha, and third one goes to Shalini. Now can we stand for a photo?
Landscape, landscape.
Thank you so much, सबके लिए तालियां हो जाए। That's not all. We have come to the end of this. The first one goes to Ashmita. Can we give a big hand to Ashmita? Second one goes to Anvesha. Can we give a big hand to Anvesha? Third one goes to Sharmili. Can we give a big hand to Sharmili, please? Just a second. Now can I call you up, please? The second set of prizes, without taking out the prizes, it's a very nice set of prizes. It's a t-shirt. It's a soldier's t-shirt. Written everything that I told you just now. थोड़े देर का पूजोर जन्म আমি তোদের দিলাম पूजोर के There is no country like India, I'm telling you. No country like India and the values that we believe in. No country. We are the best in giving values to our children and to us. And these values are dying down. Let us all bring back these values also. And I'm very happy that you have this in your value system. मतलब तुम्हारे घर से ये सिखाया जाता है. So I'm very, very, very happy. So give a big hand to these two soldiers. Who cheers for my sister's school? What's your name? Rifa. R-I-F-A.
And main thing is what I feel, just creating awareness is not enough. This event will be successful only when our children make use of it. Spread it. And also, and I feel also it will fight against your own temptations. Be strong to fight your own temptations. As Sir said, that respect your body. Respect your body, love your family, your teachers. They are the ones who are the well-wishers. That's all I can say. Thank you, sir, so much for making the events very interesting also. Thank you, sir. So please accept a small token of gratitude from the entire Indian family. We are truly honored to have
So, AC 429 at St. Teresa Secondary School, session number 2 comes to an end, and what a session it was. Thank you so much, dear teachers, dear Principal Sister Jasmine, for all the help and all the cooperation and all the participation towards this mission. Soldier Mahira, who was the official photographer of the session, well, she was there standing in front of her school as the school gate opened, as my car entered the school, right from that time till I left. I am so impressed with your manners, with your discipline, with your sense of responsibility and your hard work, Mahira. Please give my regards to your parents. Thank you so very much for being the official photographer of the session. You have done a splendid job. To all my dear soldiers from St. Teresa Secondary School, y'all are sweethearts. I didn't want to leave y'all. As y'all didn't want to leave me, I would definitely want to come back once more. I'm missing all of y'all. Till the next time we meet, I'm sure that you will keep the second option in your life कि दादा की बात जो मैंने सुना, जो हमने सुना, उसको हम इस्तेमाल करेंगे. इट्स रेनिंग हेविली, उसको एग्जीक्यूट करेंगे लाइफ में. HCF को याद रखेंगे एंड आई एम द किंग ऑफ माई माइंड, ये मंत्रा को अपने दिमाग में रखेंगे. लव यू ऑल.